First Saturday install day. We're usually going for about 3-4 builds installed in a day. We're gonna go for 8 today, so stay tuned. We're gonna be drinking some beers over here, not people working, doing some walkthroughs, talking about campers and hanging out all day. It's gonna be fun.
All right, this is incredible. You guys might see this as an official Lone Peak accessory soon. Man, nice ride here. Where'd you come from?
Thanks. Came up here from Reno, Nevada.
Reno, Nevada.
Yeah, it's about a 13-hour drive.
That's a bit of a haul, huh?
Yep.
All right. What do you plan on using the Lone Peak for?
Getting out on BLM land, going climbing, camping out.
Okay.
I went with pretty open build out, so I could fit a lot of crash pads in there. Ton of space, and then still being able to camp as well.
All right. Where'd you come in from?
Calgary, Alberta.
Okay. And what are you looking to use the camper for?
Well, you name it, but primarily it'll be for going out with my dog bird hunting or fly fishing up in the mountains.
Okay.
And just makes it, I can go for 3 days rather than 1.
Okay. There you go. There you go. All right, guys. Today went really well. It's kind of an experiment to see how many campers we could do in a day. And it's 11, and I think we got our last one installed like an hour ago. So super fast. So maybe the next time we do this, we'll try to stack 16 instead of 8, double it up.
I don't know. I don't know.
We're gonna have to see. Tyler with Upper Left Adventures came out, had a bunch of sweet products. He makes some great accessories for the Lone Peak. So if you guys don't know him, go check him out. Until then, we'll see you guys around.